Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to have landscape and portrait in the same Word document. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Microsoft Word. So we can now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, click on Microsoft Word. Let's just create a blank document. Click on this, and now let's insert a new page. So now we have two pages on screen. Click on the second page. Now go to File, Page Setup, Orientation, Page Attributes, Microsoft Word, whole document, this point onwards, OK. And there we have landscape and portrait in the same Word document. And so we can quit Word, save the document to the desktop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.